Good everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create a pivot table in Google Sheets. This tutorial will be very straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs. As you can see, there are a lot of options that's going on here, and if you're a beginner or even a first timer in using this. So by the way, we actually have, for first timers or beginners, we have a beginner's guide on how to use Google Sheets, wherein I will talk about the basics of Google Sheets, such as how to create a new document, how to enter and edit data, how to create basic charts, and all of that. So please be sure to check it out on our YouTube channel. And also for those who are looking for videos, like separate videos for the different features and functions of Google Sheets, we have already created a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Sheets tutorial on our YouTube channel. So please be sure to check it out. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome or the browser that you are using to open Google Sheets, whether you are in Windows or in Mac, is completely up to date. And this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors if we do so. By now, let us start by creating the pivot table that we would like to edit. Now, to create a pivot table, you can do it manually right over here. And there's different tabs. As you can see below the file name, we got different tabs that we can choose from, but the easiest way is to press Alt/ on your keyboard to open up the search menu right over here, and from here we can just type in the word pivot, and as you can see, we got pivot table right over here. Insert pivot table, and now we have the data range. Let's say, for example, I want it to be from D1 to F7, then put a semicolon between. If you want to insert that on a new sheet, you can, but for me, I want to insert an existing sheet, and then I just need to type in the name of the sheet. Let's say, for example, this is the format that you would like to follow: sheet 1, exclamation point, followed by the cell number that you would like to start in your pivot table to. Now, once you have already set it up, by the way, you can also put it on a new existing sheet, or you can put it in a new created sheet right over here. It will create a new sheet for you, but in my case, I want to insert it in my already existing sheet right over here. Now press create if you are all set, and as you can see, we have now created a pivot table here in Google Sheets, like so. Here's the pivot table editor. You can get the rows, columns, values, and filters, and you can adjust the length of the pivot table editor by clicking and dragging this vertical button right over here. And as simple as that, we can create pivot tables here in Google Sheets. Now, if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.